So you have the inside, like where you can put it like this, and there's more space. If you don't go watch my last video, it's pretty short video. But now you want it on the outside. So what do you do here? It's what I would like to call the margin. This will be everywhere. So let's go 20px again, and right like that. Does it everywhere. Just like with padding, if you oh no, I do not want to. But like just like if padding, if you want to have individual side, you can do 20px, 0px, 20px, and under 0. And then that will go like that. Let's say you want this shorter, and since you already know that these are like this, you want your sides, or you want your top and bottom to be different length, but you want the sides to be the exact same length. Well then, all you have to do, you can do 20 and 0px. This counts for both the side and or like these two sides, not the top and bottom. And then you can do another 20px for the bottom. It's the exact same thing. Let's say you switch this to bottom. Just like that, both of them go in. That one's a lot easier, but it's not as exact. Whatever you need, I guess. But thanks for watching. See you.